Hello friends, welcome to Creative Medicine. In this lecture, we will learn about
Now, there is a syndrome called as Fukase syndrome. Fukase syndrome. Actually, this Fukase syndrome is known by the mnemonic poems. So in Fukase syndrome, we have four components are present, which include polyneuropathy, organomegaly, endocrinopathy, M protein, and skin changes are seen in Fukase syndrome. So in Fukase syndrome, there is polyneuropathy, organomegaly, endocrinopathy, M protein, and skin changes are seen in Fukase syndrome.
thank you and thank you for watching.